Welcome to my YouTube channel Physics with Rana Badasse. Subscribe, like and share. In this video I am going to discuss some key concepts about pair production as I suggested in my last video. First question, why in pair production electron and positrons are produced in pairs, not in single? And the second question was, the energy required to produce pair production is 1.022 mega electron volt or bit higher. Let us here are some overview of pair production. What is pair production? Direct conversion of radiant energy into matter. It is clear from this diagram is that is a radiant energy is which we gamma ray strikes with the nucleus and it will produce a pair of particles, that is positron and electron, which are different in their charges but equal their rest masses. Let us move to our first question. Why in pair production electron and positrons produced in pairs, not in single? Here we know that the electron, the basic reason behind this is that the electron and positrons are produced to conserve electric charge, because charge of instant photon has zero charge and the electron and positron has net charge plus E and minus E, that's equal to 0. So the charge before and after the pair production process charge zero. This is the second question. Energy required to produce pair production is 1.022 mega electron volt or a little bit higher, if higher then 5. The answer is that the rest mass energy of electron and positron, you know very well that is 2mc squared. The minimum energy which can be find out as is equal to 2m naught c square by putting values of mass of electron. Here m is the mass of electron, c is the speed of light. By putting values and calculated, we get value in joules that 1.637 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 31 in joules, and if we find it electron volt then it will be 1.022 mega electron volt. This is the minimum energy that is required to produce pair production process, but actually the photon must possess energy actually a bit higher than 1.022 mega electron volt. The reason is that when the instant photon encounters an atomic nucleus with the target, and we see in the figure that when instant photon strikes with the target, some of instant photon energy goes into the kinetic energy of the recoiling nuclei, because when it strikes with the nucleus, so some of its energy loses due to recoiling of the nucleus with which they are striking. So it is required something increase energy 1.022 mega electron volt to produce pair production. Upcoming video, there is a reverse process of what is the reverse process of pair production process. So keep watching and stay connected with me. Thank you.